Welcome everybody back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Before we get it started, be sure to subscribe, like, comment. Just any interaction is good interaction. Today we have a Core Essential belt. It's just an initial review on it. Just an unboxing, getting to look at it. See how they come packaged. Comes in a nice little box. Nice packaging. We open the box up. Got the Core Essential logo inside. First thing you notice when you open the box is you got a nice hanger. Core Essential has this belt hanger that it comes with. You see it has like a little ratcheting system on the hanger. Hang it in your closet. Have all your belts on there. It's pretty cool. Nice design they have there. It's pretty dope. Okay, put that to the side. Paperwork. It shows you how to measure out the belt and put the buckle on. So it says, go to your pant size marking. Next, add 4 inches in waistband. Add 6 inches if you're gonna carry in the waistband. Sorry. And then you cut using scissors. So if you're 34, you'll cut to where it says 38. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Let's take a look at the buckles. Oh, it's a nice buckle. Like the matte color. No lock screws. It's the locking mechanism. You see the teeth. It's a good looking buckle. Doesn't seem to be too big. They get in the way. Or this is the mechanism to loosen the belt. It's a nice looking belt. Nice looking buckle. Nice looking buckle. Alright, that's one buckle. This is the second buckle. So Core Essentials had like a little deal going on. You get 2 belts. I think it was like 110 bucks. 2 belts, 2 buckles. 110 bucks. Real nice looking buckle. This is more of the if I want to have like a nice, dress up a little nicer, not look so tactical, you get a nice little buckle like this. They have other options. These are the ones I chose. So you have like the more of the tactical looking buckle. Now, if you want to be less tactical, you grab the little fancy buckle, a little fancy schmancy buckle. Which one you guys like better? Let me know in the comment section. This is a nice buckle. I like both of them. I'll probably wear this one every day. And then when I want to switch it up, make it a little fancy, and go out to dinner, I'll switch to this buckle. Okay. All right, let's put these buckles to the side. Now here's the actual belt itself. Nothing fancy on the outside, but when you look in the inside, it has, come on, focus. It has these teeth in the inside where it acts like a ratcheting system. Got the Core Essential logo on the inside. Patent numbers. And if you keep on going, you'll see this thing will focus, the pant size. So you find your pant size, then you cut off 6 inches if you're carrying in the waistband. Then you just add the buckle. This is like a nylon belt. It's more of the everyday belt for me. It's gonna be more of the everyday belt. This is what the inside is made of. You see it has some layers in there. It's a pretty good belt. It feels stiff. It feels like it'll be a good gun belt. I like it. I like this belt so far. It's a nice looking belt. Okay. Now, like I said, I got two belts with this purchase. This one's more of a dressy, like a leather dressy style belt, you know. I could tell it has more flex than the other nylon belt, but it looks good. Looks well made. This one also has the ratcheting system on the inside. Focus. Ratcheting. This belt is way softer than the other nylon belt. This one is way softer. It says right there, top grain leather gun belt. Power core sensor. Core essentials. I mean, this is a pretty sleek looking belt. Nice looking leather belt. I thought I'd give these guys a try. See how they hold up. Like I said, this is the initial review, just unboxing. And it also comes with a belt keeper. Just like with the excess that comes off after you cut. Like the excess, it has to get wrapped around. You just hold this onto your belt so it won't be flopping around. And the screws, extra set of screws, and a hex key for the buckles. Yeah. Well, first initial review, first thoughts. I like the belt. Feels good. They feel good. This leather one is not as strong as the nylon one. I just like these ratcheting system. Want to try it out. I haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna get these set up and then I'm gonna start rocking starting on Monday, starting tomorrow. Gonna start wearing these. I like the nylon one a little better. I like the nylon one better. It feels more stiff. It feels more strong. It feels like doesn't have too much flex like the other one did. The other leather one is very soft. Well, it is leather, you know. So I heard a lot of good things about this belt. I hopefully, you know, it lives up to its expectations. So I'll look with the buckle on there. Nice belt. Nice belt. If you have the money, give them a try. Test it out. I'll let you guys know how this thing is holding up after like a couple of months. I'll say 2-3 months of carrying a gun and see how this thing starts to bend and break down after time. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Let me know which one you like better. Which belt you guys like better, the nylon or the leather? Which one you guys like better? Which one you prefer? And which buckles? They have a number of buckles on the site. These are the two I chose. Let me know which buckle you guys like better. I'm going for this one, man. This one's nice. I like that little finish. I like that matte finish on there. It's not too shiny. It's kind of like low profile. Looks like a bed liner finish on it. Yeah, guys, but thank you for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Be safe, everybody. Peace.